Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hanson Pretty. On this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Tango app to make money. So if you want to know how to make millions of money on Tango app, sit tight and watch this video to the very end. All you need to do here is to download your Tango app and create an account. Once you are done doing that on your Tango app, just like this, all you need to do here now is to post videos. You can make money through posting videos. For example, if you post videos, I will not post any video yet. You can make money through posting videos because they'll give you gifts. Those gifts they give to you is money, is a way of earning money on Tango app. And you can also go live. You can set live the pink live button on the bottom of your screen. You can click on it and go live. You can go ahead and write the live description, blah blah blah. Come does right. So once you have write a live description, then you can now click on the go live button. But they can also give you gifts. Once you are live, you're on live screen, they can also give you gifts. The gifts they give to you on live is also a way of earning money on Tango Live. The third way of making money on Tango is going back to your profile. On your profile here, you can see agents program. On agents profile, you can go down and see refer and earn. You can refer and earn. Invite creators. If you invite creators, you earn through those referrals, those people you refer to. So that is the third way of earning money on Tango Live. So we have come to the very end of this video. If you found this video useful, please do well to click the subscribe button and give this video a like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.